Okay, licorice lovers, this is it. This is my third box of this stuff over the years. I save it for kind of special occasions, I guess, because it is a little bit pricey. This is a luxury Italian oral care brand known for combining elevated aesthetic design with a diverse gourmet flavor profile and a solid foundation of tooth care. Basically, you've got a whole bunch of varieties of flavors here, and you get a sensory experience with this because the intense, long-lasting essential oil flavor profiles are specifically engineered by the brand alongside perfumers, would you believe, to transform a routine chore into a luxurious experience. I love this stuff, and that's because I love licorice. But if you don't like licorice, there's plenty of other flavors and actually some advanced cavity and targeted specialty lines. I think this one is more of a general one. But all of the toothpastes from this brand provide enamel strengthening. It's got some mineralization stuff in here. There's bacteria control. There's some fluoride. And yeah, this one's great. Now, it has this apothecary style packaging. However, it doesn't perform like apothecary style. So it looks like metal and you'd have to wrap it up on something. But it's actually, I don't know, I guess it's a plasticized sort of thing that looks apothecary. So I haven't opened this up yet, so let us open this up. Look at the cap there, branding right down to the detail. Very nice. So let's peel this top part off here. A little tricky to get off. There we go. And as you can see, it's not black. It's actually white. But it does taste of licorice. A little bit minty. The flavor of this licorice is not salty. It's not strong. It's very soft, a little bit minty, and actually a little bit sweet as well. Very enjoyable. Looking forward to using this, and it will unfortunately be used up quite quickly because I enjoy the experience so much. Marvis toothpaste. Recommend.